歡迎大家翻嚟 Rasil 齊齊煮 You know I am Rasil 咁 We're going to start where we left off last time 咁我哋有啲鴨胸 I'm going to teach you how to make something very 亞洲 or Japanese and something a little bit more French 咁 Let's go我哋先會界啲坑喺個鴨皮度，你見到啊，就係唔會界到個肉，但係界咗少少嗰啲肥。其實冇啊，靚仔啲啫。Yeah。咁切完啲筋啦，就我哋而家攞嚟煎啊。擺你個鴨胸 skin side down， put your 牛油 in。Keep basting it， 跟住擺你啲百里香。By putting this in， 你個鴨胸啊會 have that herby smell。But if you put it too early, it would actually 會燶燶地嘅。So put it in halfway。跟住你見到 kind of 轉晒顏色啦。You want to turn it over。And do the same thing, keep basting it. Then you get that golden color. 咁煎完啦，呢個就整法式嘅，呢個咧就係整日式嘅。We're going to put it in the oven on 120 degrees, fan for 5 minutes. 跟住啊 ，after 5 minutes 再推佢170度 for 5 minutes. 我哋法式個 dish 啦 I'm going to poach the pear in red wine sauce and also use it to make mixed berry sauce. 咁先啦，我哋會批咗我哋個啤梨啊 and steam it for 15 to 20 minutes so it's soft. 跟住倒成支 Merlot. It has to be Merlot because Merlot 係比較甜啲 for 紅酒嚟講，要成支嘅。跟住加4粒丁香，一條肉桂 and 2湯羹 honey. Let it poach for around 15-20 minutes. Then after 15-20 minutes, 跟住 turn off the fire and let it sit. We'll turn it around from time to time for 1 hour. Trust 呢個成個 process 係好值得嘅。整完 you'll probably think it came from a French restaurant. No joke. So 頭先煮咗個紅酒啤梨啊，我抽咗200 ml of the red wine and 我會擺啲 orange zest a bit， 跟住會擺啲藍莓同埋啲紅桑子，跟住俾佢煮一陣。我哋會想煮到佢收汁為止。跟住我哋倒咗啲蓉落去 ，puree 完啦 ，we're going to 煮到佢結啲，跟住先淋喺個鴨上邊。咁而家會轉翻 channel。去翻日式嗰 part，which is 煙燻鴨胸麵。So I'm going to teach you how to make soba 嗰個汁先。咁倒啲日本豉油、啲糖同埋味淋。咁呢個整出嚟就係平時你買嗰啲蕎麥麵啲汁嚟啲，but 呢個係新鮮整嘅。咁我哋整個鴨湯啦。咁之前啲翼啊、腳啊，我哋會放晒入去，頸啊、身啊，跟住擺啲甘筍。And over here， 咁我哋會煎香個京葱。 我哋呢度啦，會想煎到佢少少 brown 地，出晒啲味，跟住會擺翻入我哋個滾緊個湯。We're gonna cook this for around 1 to 2 hours。教大家點煙燻啲嘢喺屋企，用啲錫紙去 make a 盤 ，put some rice， 單茶羹糖。同埋啲茶葉 ，you can experiment with different 茶葉 as you like, if it's stronger or weaker. Put in 你個盤擺喺個架上邊，等到佢出煙。咁你見到有少少煙出嚟嘅時候啊，咁就擺喺個鴨入邊。You want to cook it for around 1 to 2 minutes, 但係 not longer， 因為佢都會有少少苦味嘅。咁睇下有咩 magic 先。哇！你都見到佢 ，it's much darker。咁頭先啦，我哋煮咗個鴨湯啦，我哋會溝咗啲 dashi 1比1，跟住我會煮我啲 soba。咁你想食幾腍啦，或者幾硬啦 ，is up to you。跟住淋埋啲湯，咁差不多完成啦。咁 that concludes 我哋一鴨三食。其實鴨啦，唔止可以整三食嘅 ，you can make it different ways if you could think of it too。我就整咗中式、日式同埋法式。咁多嘢食，我唔客氣啦。I hope you learned something today.
You guys learn anything from me?
記得 CSL 我啊！